Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, you're about to hear one of the most incredible stories ever told, the story of everything. We'll explore how the universe began, how stars and galaxies formed, how Earth came to life, and where we humans fit into this giant cosmic picture. Even if you know nothing about science, don't worry. Just sit back, listen, and let your imagination fly through time and space. Once, there was nothing. Then, boom. Before time began, before space existed, there was nothing. No light, no matter, no sound, not even emptiness. Just nothing. Then suddenly, from that nothing, something appeared. A tiny point.
So small you couldn't see it.
But it held all the energy and matter that would become our entire universe. Then, in a flash, it exploded outward, not like a bomb, but like a balloon inflating at incredible speed. This moment is called the Big Bang, and it's how everything began about 13.8 billion years ago. Time started. Space expanded. The universe was born. A hot mess of energy. Right after the Big Bang, the universe was extremely hot, hotter than anything we can imagine. It was just energy spreading everywhere. As it cooled, tiny pieces of matter began to form, little particles that would one day become atoms. Protons, neutrons, and electrons danced in a wild, energetic soup. Soon, these particles joined together to make the first two elements in the universe, hydrogen and helium. These two simple gases filled space, and they would later build everything. The foggy universe clears. At first, light couldn't move freely. It kept crashing into particles. The universe was glowing, but foggy, like being inside a cloud of fire. Then, after about 380,000 years, things cooled enough for atoms to fully form. The fog lifted. Light was free to travel. That first light is still traveling today, and we can still see it with special telescopes. It's called the cosmic microwave background, a silent glow from the baby universe. It's the oldest light we've ever seen. The universe goes dark again. After that light spread, the universe entered a time called the Dark Ages. There were no stars, no planets, just quiet gas floating through endless space. But gravity had a plan. Slowly, it began pulling the gas into clumps. For millions of years, these clumps got denser, hotter, ready for something new. The first stars light up. Then, boom, the first stars were born. Huge balls of burning gas, shining across the dark. They gave light to the universe for the first time since the Big Bang. Inside these stars, a magical process began: nuclear fusion. That's where atoms fuse together and create new elements, like carbon, oxygen, iron. When these stars died, they exploded in huge blasts called supernovas, spreading those elements into space. They were the universe's first artists, painting the canvas with the ingredients of life. Galaxies take shape. As more stars formed, they grouped together into enormous islands of light called galaxies. Each galaxy had billions of stars. And one of them was the Milky Way, the galaxy we call home. Inside the Milky Way, something special was about to happen. The birth of the solar system. About 4.6 billion years ago, a big cloud of gas and dust in the Milky Way collapsed in on itself. At the center, it formed a new star, our Sun. Around it, leftover gas and dust spun into planets, including one small blue one. Earth. Earth formed at just the right distance, not too hot, not too cold. It had liquid water, sunlight, and the right elements. Perfect for life. Life finds a way. At first, Earth was just rock, water, and gas. But in its oceans, something incredible happened. Tiny molecules joined together and came alive, simple cells. They were the first life forms on our planet. Over billions of years, these tiny cells changed, evolved, and grew more complex. Fish filled the seas, plants covered the land, animals roamed, and eventually, humans appeared. We are the newest chapter in a very old story. Humans look up at the stars. As humans developed, we began to wonder, where did everything come from? What are stars? What is space? In the 1900s, a scientist named Edwin Hubble made a shocking discovery. Galaxies are moving away from us. That means the universe is still expanding. This confirmed the Big Bang wasn't just a theory, it was real. The invisible stuff, dark matter and dark energy. But scientists also noticed something strange. Galaxies were spinning faster than they should. Something invisible was holding them together. They called it dark matter, and we still don't know exactly what it is. And there was another force pushing galaxies apart faster and faster. This became known as dark energy. Together, dark matter and dark energy make up about 95% of the universe. We can't see them, but we know they're there. What happens next? So, what's the future of the universe? There are a few possibilities. It might expand forever, and stars will slowly burn out. A cold, dark end called the Big Freeze. Or space might stretch so much that everything breaks apart, even atoms, in a dramatic Big Rip. Some even think it might one day shrink again, the Big Crunch. We don't know which will happen. The universe keeps surprising us. You are the universe. Here's something beautiful to remember. Every atom in your body was created in a star. The iron in your blood, the oxygen you breathe, all made in ancient stars that lived and died long before Earth was born. You are literally made of stardust. You're not just in the universe. You are the universe, becoming aware of itself. And the story of the universe is your story too. If you enjoyed this journey through the universe, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.